Let's see what we got. Cut her open. Try to figure it out. It's got to be a spot you can go in there and get it open. Oh, look at her. She figured it out. Pull on that. No, pull really hard. That's it. You did it. That's how it comes undone. There's a track right here. Look. I mean, who's making cardboard boxes? Because they're making millions. Hang on to it. You got hold of it?
Yeah, I got it.
Here we go. You ready? Yeah. All right, there we go.
Is that it?
What is it? Oh, cut this. Let's see what it is.
Oh, these are the globes. Oh, where's my thing? These are the ones.
Don't stab me.
But they only had these 4 of.
All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got the globes with the nipples. Nipple globes. Honey. All right, how's it work?
You just go in like this.
That's it? And then what do you
Fill 'em
do?
with water and put them into the
Do we have enough of them?
4. I need more.
Oh, this one came
They
apart.
actually work really well.
This one goes like this.
I see, and then sometimes they...
And then that goes in there like that.
Stuck in there.
There we go. Is that supposed to, where's that go? Well, you pop this out.
Yeah, that goes in another one.
This thing? I think that goes on first. Then that goes on. And then you stick it in the thing. That's it. That's 2. We got 2 more. Oh, why do you keep doing that?
Because sometimes they just don't fit like they should.
Maybe you just got to smush it on here first.
Yeah, this has to go on, then this goes on. And this just kind of seats
And it doesn't leak?
in there.
All right.
No, the clay, it comes out the clay.
All right, one more. She's checking to see if there's any. All right, that's it. And what are these called?
Watering globes.
All right, do we have any already set up?
Yep,
Where are they?
out in the patio.
All right, so what you do is you take them.
Oh.
You want to fill one up and stick it somewhere?
Not now.
Well, I was,
Do it later.
All right, let's take a look and see one out here. Alexa, turn off. Oh, here, right here, look. There's one right here. See it? And we just shove it in, and then it drips. Here's another one here. See it? That's how you do it. So you guys can see. Here it is. And then we just smush it into the dirt. Just like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.